Good morning, Matt Holte, Planning Operations Section Chief with Rocky Mountain Team 2. This is your morning operational briefing. We're going to talk about both the Gold Mountain fire as well as the Elk fire again today. Start with the Gold Mountain, where we're at 90% contained and 39,605 acres. Over here on the west flank of the Gold Mountain fire, we've pretty much wrapped up most of the suppression repair and the work being done over there. A few little things to wrap up to put a bow on it. However, we're in a really good spot with that, and we should be wrapping up here shortly in the next 48 hours. With the Gold Mountain fire, our biggest concern is this area right here. We've inserted a crew in there to begin working on a little piece of direct hand line to tie that off, and then we should be good on the north end. And we're also working a few smokes down here in the east and middle forks and to kind of button up the east flank of the fire. So in a few days, we should be looking really solid, very, very secure on the Gold Mountain fire. Moving over to the Elk Mountain fire, everything up here in Alpha X-ray is looking really good. We had a little bit of heat over here by drop point 28 yesterday, where it was fairly close to some structures. We've got some resources in there, aviation and ground, cooled it down, got it around the structures. We're going to continue working that today, but again, those are very secure at this point. Moving down through Division Alpha along the 149 corridor, we're still working that, still looking for opportunities to pick that up where we need to as it comes down off the ridge. We still have part of our structure protection group patrolling and working the 149 corridor. And then moving down into Gulf, we've still got this pipeline right here that is our main concern, and we're still working that and making that one as secure as possible to protect that that pipeline that feeds the landowners down here. We did put some crews in yesterday looking at an option to bring this around and just kind of steer it around the town of Lake City, but due to safety and terrain, we were not able to come up with a decent plan for that. So today will still be scouting down there along the south end of the Elk Mountain fire, where we will be looking for opportunities to go direct, go indirect, wherever we can to put a good solid buffer in there to protect the town of Lake City. In Lake City itself, we've still got the rest of our structure protection group. They're working on the Elk Road, the San Juan neighborhood. They're still protecting that. They're numbering residences, identifying what we need to do at each residence. So when and if and when that happens, we can quickly implement a structure protection plan. Moving over into our contingency group in case anything does cross 149, using existing roads and 2 tracks, we've got a plan to come down over here above the 149 through BLM and private land, and we're going to hold off on that until we know if we need to use it. We're not going to cause any disturbance until it's time to, so try and maintain as little impact as possible there. This concludes your morning update. Thank you.